Some interesting facts about Sardar Patel's Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue. On Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's 143rd birth anniversary, Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveiled the Statue of Unity, a bronze statue of India's first Home Minister who is credited with uniting 562 princely states in pre-independent India to build the Republic of India. The foundation of the project was laid on 31st October 2013. Designed by Padma Bhushan recipient sculptor Ram V. Sutar, construction of the statue began on 31st October 2014. The state government fully funded the Rs 3050 crore project, which covers an area of 20,000 square meters and is surrounded by a 12 square kilometer artificial lake. Here are some more facts about the statue. At 182 meters, Statue of Unity is the tallest statue in the world. The statue faces the Narmada Dam and is located on a river island called Sadhu Bet near. It is located between the Satpura and the Vindhya mountain ranges near the Kevadia town in Gujarat. Over 3,000 workers, including 300 engineers from Larsen & Toubro (L&T), built the statue within 3.5 years. Around 129 tons of iron implements were obtained from nearly 100 million farmers in 169,000 villages across all states for the statue. The bronze cladding of the statue has been done by China's Jiangxi Turquoise Company. Statue of Unity will turn from its original bronze color to green in 100 years due to a natural aging process. The statue will be able to withstand earthquakes and wind speed up to around 100 km per second. 4 high-speed lifts are fitted in the statue's legs. Each lift can carry 26 people to the top in just about 30 seconds. The statue has a viewing gallery at 153 meters from where around 200 people can have a panoramic view of the Sardar Sarovar Dam and the Satpura and the Vindhyachal mountain ranges. A museum, a 3-star lodging facility, a food court, a memorial garden and a grand museum are part of the Statue of Unity.